If you're seeing Fotor error code 1, don't worry. This usually comes up during an export or download failure, and in most cases it's caused by a permission issue, a restricted file path, or a problem with the export settings. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get your design exported successfully without wasting time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software fixes just like this. Let's get into it. First, understand what Fotor error code 1 is telling you. In most cases, Fotor is having trouble writing the file to the location you selected. That means the folder may be locked, restricted, synced with the cloud, or simply not writable by the app. The good news is, this is usually easy to fix. Step 1 is to change the save location. When you click download or export, Fotor opens the download menu, and this is where you want to choose like a simple local folder instead of a cloud synced or external one. The best choices are desktop or downloads because those folders are usually easier for the app to access. If you are saving to OneDrive, iCloud, Dropbox, or a network drive, switch away from that location. Those folders can create permission blocks or sync conflicts that trigger error code. Try exporting again after selecting a local folder, and in many cases, that alone solves the issue. If that doesn't fix it, move on to the second step. Simplify the file name. A complicated file name can sometimes break the export process, especially if it includes special characters or symbols that the app doesn't handle well. Rename the image before exporting and keep it short, clean, and simple. Avoid characters like hashtags, percent signs, ampersands, @, slashes, or non-Latin characters. A name like Image1 or Photoredit Final is much safer than something long and complicated. The simpler the file name, the less likely it is to cause a path passing error during download. Next, try adjusting the export format or resolution. Fotor error code 1 can also happen when the app runs into memory limits during the canvas rendering process. If your design is large, detailed, or loaded with effects, the export may fail because the browser or app is struggling to process it. To test this, switch the file type. If you're exporting as PNG, try JPG instead. If you're already on JPG, try PNG. You can also lower the quality slider a little bit or reduce the pixel dimensions if the project is very large. Even a small change can help the export complete successfully. This is especially useful if the file works fine in the editor but fails right at download time. Another important thing to check is whether your design contains pro assets or licensed premium elements. If you're using a free Fotor account, certain stock photos, fonts, stickers, or other premium items may block the export. Look closely on the canvas for anything marked with a diamond icon or a Fotor watermark, because those are usually signs of paid content. If you find any, remove them and replace them with free alternatives before trying the export again. This is one of the most common reasons free users run into download problems without realizing it. And finally, disable any active VPNs, proxies, or aggressive ad blockers. Sometimes the export process depends on Fotor's rendering servers, and if a VPN or privacy extension is interrupting the connection, the file may fail to download. Turn off your VPN temporarily, disable any proxy settings, and pause strict ad blockers like uBlock Origin or AdGuard for a moment. After that, reload Fotor and try exporting again. If the download goes through, you'll know one of those tools was interfering with the process. So to quickly recap, if you get Fotor error code 1, try changing the save location, simplify the file name, adjust the export format or resolution, remove any pro assets if you're on a free account, and disable VPNs or ad blockers that may be blocking the export. One of these fixes usually solves the problem right away. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more easy software troubleshooting guides, and leave a comment if you want help with another Fotor error or export issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.